Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the notification gang so that you get notified each time I make an upload. So let's just get straight into it. You already know that I started off cleansing her face with the Micellar cleansing water, and now I am going in with the Pond's moisturizer, and I'm just really working that into her skin so that it is properly prepped for this balm application that is about to happen. So now you see me using my OG Calamine lotion to prime her face. Now I am using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist to fill in her brows, and I'm using the color Dark Brunette. And you can find this brow pencil like at your local Walmart, CVS, Walgreens. I love this pencil so much, so go get you one. Alright, so now I'm taking my flat brush by BH Cosmetics and I'm carving out her brows using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. And I'm also taking her foundation color as well and mixing that into the concealer so that it's not so bright, but you still get that defined eyebrow. Now the foundation that I am using is the Blk Opel foundation. This is in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I love this foundation. It is definitely buildable and full coverage, long lasting. It is like one of my drugstore staples. Love this foundation, and you just see me using a dense buffing brush to buff this into her skin. Now, this is one of my favorite parts of the whole application process, which is concealing. And I'm using the same concealer that I used to highlight her brows, which is the Medium Warm and by e.l.f. And I'm just placing that, you know, in the areas that we place it in, the T-zone areas, under her eyes, down the ridge of her nose, her chin, as well as her forehead. And I'm just going to take my time and blend that out as well. So now what you see me doing is taking her foundation shade, and I am placing that on the edges of the concealer. And I'm doing this because it's going to help the concealer blend and transition better into the foundation. Okay, girls, so next I am going to take my Blk Opel contour stick. Well, it's really a foundation stick, however, you can use it in either way. And this is in the shade Suede Mocha. And I'm just taking a brush and placing that under her cheekbones, on her forehead. I'm also going to place this underneath her chin, her jawline, excuse me, and her down the bridge of her nose as well. With the contour, you really want to take your time and blend this out because clearly it's a darker color than the rest of her face. So we just really want to be sure that we take our time and blend, 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 blend. Alright, so now I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set her under eyes and all those places that I have placed the concealer. I love the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. It is the GOAT. So yeah, you just see me doing that now. So this is another one of my favorite parts, which is something new that I just incorporated into my routine, and that is using the contour shade as her eyeshadow base. And I actually picked this technique up from the shades Glam. I know y'all watch her on YouTube. She's the bomb. And so I'm just placing that there, and then I'm going to go in with the Nude Persuasion makeup palette by Makeup by Melissa. It is so bomb. Y'all should go get you one. And then I'm just going to pat that color and build that color up for her eyeshadow. Okay, girl, so now you see me using my same palette, the Nude Persuasion palette. I actually purchased the bundle, the Soft Glam bundle, and I was just using that as well as the blush in there to just bring some color and bronzing her face. And I'm going in with the Milani eye pencil. And for her lips, I'm using the NYX lip pencil in Espresso. And I'm also going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in Act Natural. And then I'm just going to top it off with the gloss, girl. Okay, girl, and I am just doing some finishing touches. Thank you so much for coming and watching my YouTube video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, show some love. Bye, girl.